Penny Pincher.
Hey Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomie, and today I'm coming to you with an office desk DIY that I picked up from the Goodwill. If you want to see the prepping and how I got it looking this beautiful, you know exactly what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the desk that I told you guys last week that I got from the Goodwill. I paid 25 bucks for it. It is the perfect shape and size that I'm looking for. It has very good bones. I'm going to upcycle it, give it, you know, some paint. It is very dirty, so I'm gonna start off by kind of wiping it down with soap and water, and then to get the tape and stuff off, like these little parts, I'm probably gonna have to use a degreaser or something, but we'll see what happens. Let me clean it up first and then I'll see if it needs it. All right, let's go. Okay guys, so the desk is nice and clean as it's gonna get, as a matter of fact. These are the items that I'm gonna be using today. I'm using chalk paint because I don't want to do any sanding or anything like that, right? This I picked up, it's Bear paint. I picked it up at Home Depot, and I'm using this color Frost. I chose it off of one of their color charts, and I really liked the way it looked. Hopefully it turns out perfectly on this desk. I'm also going to be using some metallic spray paint in the color gold, and I also have this wax that I'll use to seal it in after I finish with the chalk paint. So let's talk design. So the design I have for this desk, as you know, the colors are obvious, gold and white. And what I'm going to do is, like the borders here, like the legs on the side where it has this design here, I'm gonna do those parts in gold, and then the rest of the desk, the drawer, the top of it, I'm just going to keep it in white. I removed the hardware from it. I will change the hardware at some point, but I figured, why do it now? I'm gonna use the same hardware that it came with, and I'm just going to spray these with the metallic gold spray paint for now, and if I feel like changing it later, then I'll upgrade the hardware, but for now I'm just going to use what I have. So let's get started with the painting. Okay guys, here we are so far. I've gotten all the gold on as much as I like. So it's on the legs, it's on these parts. Super gorgeous. I absolutely love this spray paint that I'm using, and it dries so quickly. Take a look at the other side. So there we are, and then I'm gonna start painting in these parts. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape the gold places that I've painted, the gold parts, that way I don't have any of the white paint getting on it. But just wanted to show you what it looks like at this point. Not too shabby. Let's keep on working. Okay guys, I've taped off the areas that I want to remain gold with the painter's tape, and now I'm gonna go in and just start painting the top with the chalk paint. As I said earlier, the color is Frost. Okay guys, so I have finished all the painting with this desk. I gave it about 3 coats of paint because I wanted it to be as close to perfect as possible. What I'm going to do now for the these white parts that I use the chalk paint on, I'm going to use this wax to seal it. I showed this to you at the top part of the video. So I'm going to use just an old t-shirt. You want to use something that is you know, doesn't have a lot of lint on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to work the wax in, and after working it in, then I'm going to go over it with another clean t-shirt, or I might just use one part of this t-shirt to apply the wax and then another part of it to, you know, kind of buff it in. So here we go. Okay, penny pinchers, here is my completed desk. It turned out so good. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I added the hardware back and just added a few things on top just to, you know, for a little decor interest. This is not its final destination. It has to go in my office, but I need to put my office, get everything together. But wanted to show you what it looks like in its completed state. I think it turned out so great. Looks amazing, and I can't be more happy with the outcome. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, one thing that I did with the drawer, on the inside of the drawer, I spray painted a little bit with the gold spray paint. But I'm wondering if I should add some wallpaper in there, and that would be the wallpaper that I had in my old office. I have some leftover rolls and was just wondering if I should try that wallpaper. It's kind of like a geometric white and gold to kind of, you know, create some interest when you open the drawer. Let me know what you think. Should I just leave it like this with the spray paint? Or should I go in and add the wallpaper in the inside of the drawer? Let me know down below in the comment section. But this is what it is, guys. I just have a little bit of greenery up here, my laptop, and my candle that's elevated onto books. And yeah, this is what the hardware turned out to be. These were silver, and I kind of just turned them on an angle just to add a little more interest to the, you know, detail. But I think it turned out great. I love the chalk paint, and then I applied the wax after, as you saw me doing. But like I said, just wanted to show you how it came out. Leave me a comment below and let me know whether you like it or not, if it's a hit or a miss. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you joining me. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am glad that you decided to click on this video. And I'd love to invite you to join the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple. Just hit the subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you already know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.